In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag an email in Outlook. Flagging is a simple way to mark messages that need your attention later, and it helps keep your inbox organized by creating clear follow-up cues you won't miss. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access your mailbox. Once your inbox loads, look at your message list. When you move your mouse over any email, you'll see a small flag icon appear on that line, usually toward the right. Click that flag once and it turns red. That's your quick flag, and it instantly marks the message for follow-up. You'll notice the red flag stays visible, and depending on your layout, the message may also appear in your to-do or follow-up views, making it easier to find later. If you prefer using the context menu, you can right-click the email instead. In the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Flag or Follow Up. This applies the same red flag. If you right-click and use the same option again, you'll see choices to unflag or clear the flag, which removes the follow-up marker from that message. This is handy when you're managing several emails and want precise control without moving your mouse to the top of the screen. You can also work from the ribbon at the top of Outlook. Click once to select the email you want to manage, then look for the follow-up flag on the Home tab. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. This opens the full set of follow-up options so you can choose exactly how you want to track the message. From this drop-down, you can pick today, tomorrow, this week, or next week to set a clear time frame for your follow-up. No date keeps the message flagged without a due date, which is useful if you just want a visual reminder without scheduling pressure. Mark Complete will check off the item when you've taken care of it, keeping the message in your history but clearing the active flag. Clear Flag removes the flag entirely, returning the email to a normal state. A quick tip: be consistent. Use the inline flag for speed when you're triaging your inbox, and use the ribbon drop-down when you need a specific time frame or want to mark something complete. With these options, you can stay on top of priorities without leaving your inbox. That's all you need to confidently flag emails in Outlook and keep your follow-ups on track.